One of the excellent soil conditioners is the pumice stones. It's a very lightweight porous material used to improve drainage in the soil, and not only that, it have amazing uses in whole gardening. So in this video, we will go in depth about pumice stones for plants, most effective ways to use pumice stones, and some of its side effects. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Pumice stones are the white to greyish colored granular stones with a very rough sponge-like texture. You can easily see the tiny holes on the surface of pumice stones. They are very lightweight and might float on the water surface. Pumice stones are the result of a quick cooling of volcanic rocks and varies in mineral content from area to area. They also have several sizes made to use in different areas of planting and growing. Pumice stones use provide us several benefits, so let's know them one by one. Pumice stones have extremely good drainage. Their use in the soil media makes it very well draining. Pumice stones are very lightweight, best to use in soilless potting mixes and for lightweight rooftop pots. One benefit of pumice stones for plants is their aeration. Structure-wise, they have tiny holes which keeps the air and gases passing through the soil, making an excellent aeration. And aeration is a super useful thing to promote root growth and bigger root vegetables. Pumice stones also hold moisture inside of them. Their water retention is so ideal that only a small amount stays in, which is good for plants that are at a risk of rotting, for example succulents and cacti. Another useful thing about pumice stones is that they hold nutrients, means the nutrients will stay long in the soil, keeping the plant healthy in a less fertile mixture. One benefit of pumice stone for plants is that they doesn't expire or decompose, means you have to buy them once and enjoy their benefits for lifetime. So do subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. To achieve most benefits of pumice stones, you need to use them in an effective and correct way. The first way is to simply mix some pumice stones in your potting mix. Especially for cacti and succulents, you can mix up to 10 to 20% of pumice stones in the whole mixture and use it for your sensitive plants. Pumice stones comes in certain sizes. Bigger stones are useful for decoration, while medium-sized pumice stones are a good choice to use in your potting mixes. Another easy way to use pumice stones for plants is to make their layer at the base of the pot before repotting. Most houseplants that can rot easily, you should use pumice stones for them. Make a layer of pumice stones on the drainage holes. This will keep the soil dripping the extra moisture as long as it wants to. This creates an ideal moisture in the soil, which is super beneficial. Another way to use pumice stones is like a mulching material. Due to their pebble-like appearance, they are widely used in decorative landscaping. You can make their thin layer on the upper soil layer. Good quality pumice stones are also linked in the description box to buy. Now your pot will appear to be more beautiful and the pumice stones will keep the soil moisture intact. Mulching not only retains moisture but also makes the soil nutrients enrich, root growth continue and much more. To know all about mulching benefits and uses, you can follow the description box video. Other ways to use pumice stones could be in propagation potting mixes, on outdoor garden beds and hydroponics. Following a correct way, you can use pumice stones for all kinds of plants, either for vegetable plants, flowering fruiting plants, house plants and especially for cacti and succulents. Their use will enhance the drainage, so plan their use accordingly. For a moisture-loving plant, it may create a less moist environment, while for dry area plants, it could be super useful. There are also some drawbacks of using pumice stones that you should keep in mind. Too many pumice stones in the soil media will drain all the moisture from the soil and roots will be thirsty, so don't use more than 10 to 15% in the whole media. It's a soil conditioner, not a complete soil media. You can mix several soil amendments to make a reliable mixture. There is a playlist added in the description box on organic soil amendments, you can follow that. Pumice stones also have a fine dust, which is its powdered form. It may cause allergic reaction to some people, but mostly it's considered as a safe and neutral material, so better to use gloves and face mask. Pumice stones are nutritionless. When we use them in the soil, they suck nutrients of the soil to store them inside. And if you use too much of pumice stones, this can reduce the soil nutrition, but nothing happens if you used moderately. So it's all about pumice stone uses for plants. Follow this video to know how to use biochar for plants and get amazing results. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.